Okay, so I am here in Amanda's apartment and I am decorating because it is Valentine's Day. And I have a couple of things already planned out. For example, I have a whole bunch of balloons. And what I'm gonna do with those is basically put our pictures on the bottom. I'm gonna end up like cutting some of these, of course. He pulled out this table for me, so it's a little bit easier to decorate. Those are some fake flowers. This is a super cute like thing we had found when we went to Ross. I had bought some candles and I'm gonna put a candle in there and light it. And these are kind of just gonna be like all in here. And then I'm gonna have some in his bedroom. The same thing with pictures of us. I'm currently playing music. I have all this stuff right here, and then stuff here, and stuff in here. And then he made me cookies, and fun fact, I gave him this tin last year. And I made him heart cookies last year, and this year he made me heart cookies as well. Very cute and very sweet. And I'm super duper excited to be doing this. So yes, and you're gonna kind of come along with me as I'm decorating. I'm gonna set you up right here, just so you can kind of see the process. And then I'm gonna end up recording, his reaction whenever he comes in. And then yeah, so I'm excited. Okay, so a bit of an update. I'm doing all of the food right now. I'm making him pasta, and I'm making the vodka pasta, obviously without the vodka, because I feel like that'd be gross. I'm also making chocolate lava cake, a charcuterie board, and chocolate covered strawberries. So I have a couple of things that I'm just gonna get out right now. You can kind of just see. Um, I got Coke. We like our Coke Zero, some sparkling waters, um, crackers, a variety pack, penne, some salt. Gotta have salt, tomato paste because that's what it needs. Garlic. I got an onion, some jam. I have a cute idea with the cheese. Heavy whipping cream, which I definitely need to put in the refrigerator. Salt, nuts, powdered sugar, flour, and a tiny thing of sugar. But yes, and then I have a whole bunch of other stuff on this side, but I'm kind of just trying to get everything situated before I really take a deep dive in and make everything. But yes. Okay. I finished his room. Who is it? Who is it? I can see you. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Hi. Are you closed?
Chicken parmesan.
Close. Ready? You have to use the restroom?
What's the deal with her?
You ready?
Let me see.
It's
Whoa!
your dinner menu.
Wow. Love is bread. Don't you love pasta? Sweet kisses? I love you a lot. Oh, I love you mini cakes? And the heart candy. No.
I did it might be really close. That is your picture. I recorded it.
Oh!
What do you think?
I think it's pretty amazing. Pretty great. 10 out of 10. Definitely
That's not
recommend.
the only thing.
10 out of 10. Definitely recommend having a girlfriend. She's
That's
the best.
not the only thing.
Let me see. What? Oh my god! Wow. There's so many pictures. I very much love all the pictures. That's us. From like this whole year.
Yeah.
Oh, could you see me?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Hello, hi, welcome. This is the Lover's Board. Pretty cool. That's jam in the middle, if you can tell. She jammed it in there, but
I did.
She's recording herself recording. Pretty cool. This is the menu, right here. That's fire. Yes. Hello, hi. We're playing restaurant music. I literally looked up fancy restaurant music. That's gonna look cool. Oh, I shouldn't have talked.
I can. Next on the menu are sweet kisses, chocolate covered strawberries. I had to do that for the picture.
Oh. That was
Some of them are like really.
Thank you, my love. That's a little graphic. I can't see it. She's like a.
Less than a minute. Less than a minute for the chocolate cake. What?
Yeah.
This is the aftermath. We're cleaning. Very successful Valentine's Day. Right,
Yes.
babe?
Yes, I would compare it much to the best rom-com of all time.
It was very fun and very full and very interesting. Okay. Now we're gonna finish cleaning and head to bed.
Bye.